It's been a big year, record highs for the stock market. For the first time ever, the Dow closed above 40,000 this year. Let's get some common sense on the market action with Craig Bolanos. He's the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group. Good to see you there, Craig. And when we started up Business First AM almost 10 years ago, the Dow was around 17,000. What a ride.
Well, Angela, let me just say, I still remember my Dow 10,000. That's right, Dow 10,000 hat back in March of 1999. So when we passed the 40,000 barrier, well, it might not be quite as exciting, but it's still a very nice headline. But you know what? People shouldn't take too much else from going through 40,000. But what they should take is really pay attention to what does matter. Are companies seeing sustainable profit growth? Yes. Is monetary policy and fiscal policy positioned to help maintain economic growth? Yes. And what does the landscape for our economy, specifically the jobs market, look like? Well, right now it's still pointing to a soft landing, and hence I'm celebrating Dow 40,000.
Do you think a psychological shift is happening with investors and getting away from some of that negative talk about the market? The market can go down, but fighting an upward trend is a good way to miss out on gains in the stock market.
Well, it's got to be a handful of things, and it has changed, Angela. Investors finally got tired of being scared about all the pessimistic thoughts that prevailed in 22 and 23. Remember, Recession Island that everyone flocked to, it's a very lonely place these days because the soft landing remains. Again, the corporate earnings have delivered. The jobs are resilient, and investing during a Fed pause, and right now we're on pause, no more rate hikes. Hopefully the next move is lower. It's just a matter of time. That's a good place to be investing historically. So when we say what's changed, I think people just got tired of thinking the sky is falling, because Angela, you and I have said on your program so many times, if it doesn't look like a recession where you live and it doesn't feel like a recession where you work, it's probably what? Not a recession. And I think Dow 40,000 is one more reminder for those on Recession Island. I hope they bought a round trip ticket to come back, not a one-way ticket to loneliness and despair. I'm Craig Bolanos, the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group. We help people like you to get retired and stay retired. I invite you to learn more. Go out to our website, investwithwmg.com.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.